Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Hong Kong. International Forum, Problem Solving City, Hong Kong is a disputes resolver. Hong Kong hosted the forum, Problem Solving City, Hong Kong is a disputes resolver, co-organized by Friday Culture Limited, Hong Kong Coalition, and the AALCO Hong Kong Regional Arbitration Center. The event brought together senior government officials, legal experts, and industry leaders to position Hong Kong as a global hub for dispute resolution in both traditional and emerging sectors. The forum told that Hong Kong's government is positioning the city as a global disputes resolver and digital finance hub through its LEAP framework and comprehensive regulatory measures. The AALCO Hong Kong Regional Arbitration Center offers trained mediators, arbitrators, and adjudicators with specialist expertise in sports and digital finance. Director Nick Chan noted the center's development of law-tech capabilities and interdisciplinary specialists to lead global dispute resolution efforts. Chairman Herman Hu of Friday Culture Limited highlighted Hong Kong's selection as home to the International Organization for Mediation, reinforcing the city's commitment to peaceful dispute resolution under the One Country, Two Systems framework. The sports mediation panel emphasized Hong Kong's common law system, bilingual legal status, and strategic position between China and international markets. Experts discussed how Hong Kong's access to 1.3 billion consumers and collaborative initiatives between the central government, Hong Kong, and Macau create unique advantages for establishing the city as a premier sports dispute resolution center. The technology panel featured discussions on Hong Kong's comprehensive regulatory framework for digital finance, moderated by Whitman Hung. Expert emphasized interoperability, security, and user protection across decentralized platforms. Industry leaders highlighted Hong Kong's pioneering work in digital bonds using updated ISO protocols and its role in resolving disputes in the $15 billion digital finance industry. Dr. Johnny Ng stressed the importance of a gradual approach to digital finance to build public confidence, while Drive. Oh King Loong discussed Hong Kong's role in building cross-border connections across regulatory, technical infrastructure, and market capital layers. Hong Kong Coalition's representative concluded that Hong Kong is transitioning from regulator to rule setter, leveraging 30 member organizations advancing international standards. The forum demonstrated how Hong Kong's legal infrastructure, strategic positioning, and government collaboration establish it as the world's most influential disputes resolver. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?